sold 1 million of those. A month ago, we turned down an offer for about $18 million on the company. That group reached back out to us yesterday and said, we want to give you a considerably bigger offer. We said, no, we're not interested.
Obviously, the internet is going to have an important impact on retailing.
You can see in the realm of sales and landing pages, this is world class. That won't hurt our feelings at all if we have to turn it off because there's too many sales coming through.
How would your wife describe you?
Crazy.
How big is Axel?
How so? Revenue-wise? Took it up to about 10 million. Then I took it back down to 1 million to get the model right, the way that I wanted.